Welcome to 207 Dolly Street. This large 7-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom home with a huge yard, hardwood flooring inside, 2 master suites, and a possible second apartment or in-law suite. It's located in Northeast Columbia, near Faro and Harvard-Scrabble Road, convenient to Fort Jackson and Richland 2 schools. So we're in the front yard now. On the left side of the house here, you have a driveway that sort of leads to the parking for the separate apartment that is on the back, sort of lower level of the house. If you choose to use it as that, or it's just extra parking for other vehicles as well. Could also be possible truck parking. So you can see there's a sort of a double-sized lot. So that lot to the left that's sort of open goes with the property as well. And you can see the front yard here. There's a wooded lot across the street directly in front, but it is for sale at this time, so that may be developed. Just keep that in mind. Covered front porch here, up a few steps. Nice front door, and we'll see the 2-car carport and the other driveway on the other side. Let me go to that side of the house as well. So we're inside of the foyer. You can see hardwood flooring, real hardwoods in the foyer. Those continue into the formal living and dining room, also a little bit into the hall and sort of up and down the stairs there. There's a large coat closet and 2 bifold doors right off the entry. So it's a split level home. So you have the second sort of upper level and then stairs to the downstairs level going that way. We'll circle around this way and view that when we get over there. So off the foyer here to the right, wood burning fireplace, huge hearth in the formal living room, window looking out front, and that is open to the large formal dining room here, big front window. And then you have the sort of a glass door or French door going to the kitchen. You can see updated sort of flush mount ceiling lighting and a lot of the rooms throughout. So the kitchen here on this side, and you can see sort of open to the living room. First we'll go ahead over here though, just for continuity's sake, and take a look at the sort of bonus area that's off to this side. There I believe is a light in here. All right, there we go. So you can see you have a laundry room here off of the kitchen. So nice size. It does have sort of a glass door there, closes it off as well. This is just, I believe, sort of a utility closet where the water heater is. It's a separate water heater for this level and for the downstairs sort of apartment. Electrical box there, and then this is accessed to the 2-car carport. It's a side entry, so you can sort of see. I'll go ahead and take a look at the backyard while we're out here. Excuse me. So you have a large sort of concrete deck here, or a patio that's raised, and it also has railing. You can see there's a sort of a balcony off of one of the 2 master suites, but again, see sort of towards the backyard, lots of trees, and on this side you have the driveway off of this end that comes around to this side, and you also have a cool sort of bonus room in here too, which we'll take a look at just in a sec. More lot space on this side, not quite as large as on the right, or excuse me, on the left, but it is a one thing to consider, because you will be responsible for maintaining that grass, most likely. So back inside, you have a large sort of bonus room here, or another master suite if you want to use it as that. Off of the laundry area, has 2 sets of French doors, windows facing out front, but 2 sets of French doors that go out to the sort of driveway off the side. Does have a large walk-in closet here as well. Actually, we'll back up here just to give you a view sort of to the other side. But the closet behind 2 bifolds. Pretty good, a bit of built-ins in there. And then the bathroom, which is adjacent, you have double sinks. Some more classic style towel. Ceramic towel in here, and then a shower. So this is a full bathroom. So again, this could be Perfect for a master. There is another sort of master upstairs as well. So now we'll go through the kitchen. So here, you see updated stainless steel appliances in the kitchen. There is a above the range microwave. You have smooth top electric or ceramic top electric stove mounted in the countertop there. Wall oven with the warming drawer below, and a side-by-side refrigerator here. Also a dishwasher, all stainless steel. So the kitchen is nice size, nice and open. You have an eat-in sort of dining area here. It is all open to the large family room area, which also has French doors out to that deck. You have a sort of a bench seat there as well, and then a large closet here, and then we're right back out to the entryway. So just quickly here, you can see the French doors just back out to that same deck that we saw from the other angle. So another glass door going through here. So right off the foyer, on this side we have the half bathroom, sort of fully tiled in here, single vanity and commode. And then we'll go upstairs, so you can see the hardwoods, nice sort of boxed off kind of railing there. Ceiling fan here in the hallway, which is an interesting touch. And then this is the upstairs master suite, if you'd like to use it that way. It is, of course, a much smaller room, but it's more of a bedroom size. Has a sliding glass door out pretty wide, so basically this whole wall is kind of a window out to that deck that we saw, that sort of elevated deck we saw off of from the backyard. And then here, updated hardwoods in the bathroom. You have a single vanity closet here. So again, not quite as extravagant as the other room, but still completely functional. And then of course your second vanity, separate commode, flooring continues, and then tub and shower. Window looking out back is nice as well. Continuing, we'll see if we can speed up here for time. Another bedroom, all decent size. This one has a ceiling fan. Closet is sort of a standard size, kind of tucks behind the door on both sides. You have a linen closet across from the hall bathroom here. Same updated flooring. So you have the tub there and shower, and then two vanities here. Another linen closet inside the bathroom. And then two more bedrooms. Closets are pretty similar to the others. And this one has two access doors, but that closet basically just runs the length of those doors. And then that completes the upstairs. So now, last but not least, we do have an additional 2 bedrooms and full bath in what can be a completely sort of separate apartment or mother-in-law suite. Down here has its own kitchen even as well. You can see you do have the ability to completely lock that off from the rest of the house. You have sort of a nice kind of foyer down here with ceramic tile flooring. Bedrooms are that way, but first the kitchen and living space. So you have a kitchen here. That flooring, some tile flooring continues to the kitchen. You have a refrigerator, good bit of countertop space, a large kitchen, actually a larger kitchen than a lot of actual homes have. Updated appliances as well as in white, smooth top, stove, dishwasher above, and microwave above and dishwasher here. Sort of a high bar counter, window looking out back. And then the living room, your laminate hardwood look flooring. Only one door opens, but you do have sort of the additional glass that goes out to the covered area down below the upstairs sort of second master balcony. And then on this end you have a closet without any actual rods or shelving, I believe, but just kind of a good space that you can't see right now because I don't have enough light. And there you go. So just a space to put some stuff. There's always a need for that. And then on down the hall, linen closet. Across from the full bathroom, you have 2 vanities in here, sort of nicer pedestal sinks, tub and shower, and the toilet. You do have some kind of tile around the wall there as well. That's a nice touch. And then 2 bedrooms in here, both, again, a very nice size. Sort of face this one faces kind of the front carport, excuse me, the front left sort of side of the house. But a good sized closet, basically pretty standard, same as the rest of the rooms. And then 2nd bedroom here. And let me mention all the bedrooms are carpeted with the exception of that sort of huge master on the main level, and then another closet there in this room. So that completes our tour of this home. You will want to verify details either with us on the phone or on the listing on our website about the availability or whether or not this apartment or this area would be available separate possibly. But you can get more details from us if you contact us. And again, thank you for watching. This concludes our tour of 207 Dolly Street, Northeast Columbia. You can find out more information by giving us a call at 803-407-8522 or on our website at turnerproperties.com.